married man, and that's my own fault, and I have to deal with it.
Cleveland, that's not why I'm here. Junior kissed me.
What? Who cares? Junior kisses everybody. He kisses the mailman.
Not on the lips.
Well, if it's a false.
You're not hearing me. He kissed me. Junior's in love with me.
Wow. How could this have happened? Oh, right. You dumped your spouse for your hormonal teenage stepchild. What'd you expect, Woody Allen? Remember that with him and Sun Chi or whatever it was?
Cleveland, what are we going to do about this?
We're gonna handle this the way we make love.
Shit.
I'm gonna lie back and do nothing while I watch you squirm.
Okay, fine. You're right. I should never have dumped you.
And?
I'm sorry.
And?
I'd like you to be my partner again.
And?
Talk to Junior, and I'll let you put that Gilbert Gottfried statue in our front yard. Yay!
Victor! Yo, I said dig! Why come you wearing your mom's wig?
Mama put a wire gum in my hair, then he tried to get it out with this sparkler.
Thumbs out, isn't it? Why don't you call me?
Okay, well that wasn't supposed to happen.
Oh well, ain't nothing some ham salad can't fix.
Junior, there's something
Okay, so I'm still
important I wanna talk
recording.
to you about. You're getting a spray tan?
Everyone on the damn show has a spray tan.
To be honest, I really don't know what all to fucking say.
Donna says that something happened the other night.
She told you?
Other than please like and subscribe.
Yes, we kissed. Twice.
Twice? She didn't say that.
Well, she's a class act. She's not gonna rub your nose in it. Not Donna. Thank you, Alejandro. All right, I'm ready for my waxing. Thank you, Miss Ma. Now, what were you saying about my daughter?
You're Donna. Junior, this is ridiculous. She's my wife.
But now she's found a younger, more vibrant, smarter, stupider man whose
Fuck.
aspirations greater than being a
I mean fudge. My bad.
You know that in 3 years,
Forgot
I
YouTube don't like cussing.
Car rental. I've already purchased my short-sleeved, ill-fitting dress shirt.
Dad, could you just bow out with a little grace so I can keep one scrap of respect for you? I want you to know you're always going to be a part of our lives. Let's call it 6 weeks till you can find a place.
That seems fair.
You've been so good through all of this. Everybody is talking.
3, 2, 1.
Hold up. I'm your father, and I don't have to leave my wife for you.
But Dad,
She's certainly not going to leave me.
I guess you're right.
We are done with this nonsense. You hear me?
Yes, Dad. And good luck in the dance competition. I'll be rooting for you too.
Thank you. If you need me, I'll be in my new apartment, which is awesome. Gas range, central air, ceiling fan, call waiting, all that. Right. Swim pool, common room you can sign up for. Right.
And yes, I know this ain't going as good as I want it to.
What are you doing? I can't help it. I'm so nervous for you or me about losing this competition to whoever this was important to.
Here's the situation. You
And I know I failed.
3,
Next up,
1.
please let it be mentioned. Nope, more dancing. The room.
Sometimes people don't think the world will accept them for who they are and what they love. And I think that's true of me, Miss Dunn. But right now, I'm going to let the world know how I feel. So, Valentine Brown, will you marry me?
No, I'm not gonna marry you. I'm his stepmother.
That was so nice.
you'll realize that you love me the same way.
Wow, maybe because my actual mom and I were never close, I got confused.
Aw, Junior. Come here, son.
Don't mind the ad.
Mom, I'd like to subscribe.
Are you gonna dance or what?
Junior, what do you think?
I think we should win this thing as mother and son.
And nothing more.
If love you is wrong, I wanna be right. Take my time, do it right. 'Cause we got all night, 'cause we got all night, baby, gracious. Yeah, we won!
Is what I would have said if I competed. And won. But your mother and Junior came in fourth. I'm Captain Naked. Roberta?
Girl, you're looking good. Well, thanks for watching Rollo. Now you can go do whatever you're going to do with Fettermine.
Oh no, I'm not coming within a country mile of anything that might give me one of those.
Yeah, that's what I thought when I was your age. Then guys start growing mustaches and all your rules go out the window.
For what it's worth, I think you make a good mom. Real good.
Design Summertime Ticket BLT has basil, aioli, and melty mozzarella.
Like they took the BLT and turned it on its head.
Oh, wait a minute. Nope, mine's just upside down.
Oh,
There we go.
Oh, I thought we were upside down for a second.
Hurry in for Summertime BLTs. Order ahead for happy hour anytime.
Feel this clean and fresh without a shower. New Vagisil Sensitive Sense Dry Wash is here for instant freshness on the go. No white residue, just rinse and go, girl. Sensitive, meet Vagisil Sensitive Sense.
Our debt-free program has helped thousands of good people just like you eliminate their credit card debt. Call us today and we will dramatically reduce your credit card debt down to just a fraction of what you owe.
Call 1-800-644-0772.
Your refrigerator, air conditioner, water heater will all die sometime. When they do, your homeowner's insurance won't cover them. Be sure your budget's protected with an American Home Shield home warranty. We help cover the cost to repair or replace components of your systems and appliances, no matter their age. Limitations and exclusions apply. Home systems and appliances will eventually die. Count on American Home Shield to get you back up and running. Be sure your budget's protected. For free information, call 1-800-795-9347. That's 1-800-795-9347. Be sure with the Shield. American Home Shield. Together, we're all for it. All for acceptance. Joining forces. Being an ally. The CW, dare to defy together.
I graduated from Tulsa Welding School. Like after 7 months, I was making $40,000 a year, no overtime, and I work a lot of overtime. I like welding. I like working all the time. The overtime, I don't complain. It's just more than anything. I got a motorcycle. I got an apartment, girlfriend, all that good stuff. It's like anybody can come here, put in work, graduate, and be successful. And my way to be successful is Tulsa Welding School.
Call 1-800-232-8185.
We'll return to the Cleveland Show.
Nancy Drew.
The truth is, everyone is a suspect.
never believe what...
Like WSABCW on Facebook. Dare to defy.
Excuse me.
Play the player, not the cards. Read him, bluff him. Make him doubt his strength. The trick, Bobby, is knowing when the other guy is doing the same. Otherwise, the only person who's bluffing your son is yourself. Why is it always me? Talk to your sister later?
And that's it for right now. Now, sounds at 8%. If you will, please like and subscribe.